Si Tatay Joe pala din.
Yeah, highway niya.
Ano?
Congratulations. 55 years after, wow! Tanong ko lang, of all the shows and concert with this LA ako man, which one is your favorite?
Ano daw?
Come on,
Tatay Joe naman eh! Hindi ko naiintindihan.
Okay, Tagalogin.
Oo, dugo-dugo na yung ilong ko.
Sa lahat ng concert mo,
Concert ko.
25 years, right?
Oo.
Ano, saan o alin ang pinaka-favorite mo?
Ayun ang pinaka-favorite ko. Tatay Joe. Tagal ko nang kilala yan. I would say silver. Kasi it was so dramatic, you know, like the first time I lost my voice. No, because of the whole journey. I've learned a lot. I've also discovered a lot of things about me as a singer, as an artist. Akalain mo, at this age, may matututunan ka pa pala about yourself, no, na hindi mo inaakala. Hindi ko rin akalain na makaka-experience ako ng ganun after 25 years. If some of you don't know the story, the first time ko kasi we staged Silver, nagkasakit po ako and I totally lost my voice. But I had to continue with the concert without a voice. And I had never experienced that ever before in my whole entire career. I would lose my voice, but not like this. Kasi I caught a bug na parang ang in-attack is my vocal cords. I totally lost my voice. Hirap na hirap po ako. Plus, I also just gave birth at that time. So it was so hard for me to go back to singing. And apparently it wasn't just me, no? It's for all girls na pag nabuntis po, after giving birth, mahirap po talagang bumalik sa pagkanta. Bilang na-stretch po yung mga stomach namin ng ganito kalaki. I was a cow when I was pregnant. I'm just a little bit, huh? I was a house. Now I'm half a house. Still a house. No, but no, it took me a while po talaga. And just as I'm getting back into it na, nasasanay na po ako sa pagkanta ulit, nakuha ko na yung aking groove, I lost my voice. I got very sick and I lost my voice. So I was so disappointed that I was not able to give my audience the show that they deserve. So I decided to restage the show, and it was for free. And I'm actually really happy that I did it. So up to now, to date, it's my most memorable concert. Also because I think kasi dun time na yun, like the first concert, wala pong tumayo, walang nagbu. Touch na touch ako dun sa aking mga audience na they were just really there to see me. It didn't matter if I had a voice. No, well, at that time I had no voice talaga. Then the second time, they all came back to celebrate with me and to just have fun with me. And up to now, I'm so thankful to the Lord that He gave me this wonderful blessing talaga. So, yun. Nagtatanong ka, hindi ka naman nakinig! Dramatic na naman yung
Most of your concert, I cover it.
Ay, yung cover it nga!
What is your favorite? Ako yung lumipad siya, naging butterfly na mataas na mataas na mataas.